Hey guys, welcome. This is how to fix the volume on your Android phone. So guys, in order for you to fix this kind of issue, what you could try to do is just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your phone. Now, once you are here on the settings, first you need to go through the connections. And now here on the connections, guys, just make sure that you are not connected in a different Bluetooth device. So make sure to turn off your Bluetooth in order for you to fix the issue. Now, if that doesn't work and it's not your problem, what you could try to do is go for the settings again and go for sounds and vibration. Now, at the top, you will have three options. You will have mute, vibrate, and sound. So make sure you are on the sound category. And now, another option that you could do is go to the volume over here. And now make sure everything is turned up. If you like to turn up the media, of course, just simply turn it up. Or if you want to turn up the ringtone, turn it up. And if you don't have the notification system like me, you will just simply turn off the do not disturb and you will have an option over here right now. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below and we will do our best to answer them all and see you in the next video.